pieces come out of the box, and they're all lined up in the same way. And so we want to replicate what we would do with our hand on this machine here. So now, all these pieces have got this nice little rounded over edge to them. So this depends on how hard you press and the angle that you hold the pieces. So the pieces should be where the corner is at about a 45-degree angle in relation to the piece, so that it cuts off the corner equally on the top and the bottom. Also, we want to make sure that we don't sand more here on this end than we do on that end. We want to fight against that so that everything turns out to be pretty even. Right there is a good example of that. This end here is about the same as that.